You ready?
Mommy.
Start. You're recording.
How to build an airplane. First, get a white piece of paper, or any color you want. Turn the right hand corner, or left hand corner, whatever you want to do. I like to turn the right hand corner. Then make the left hand corner over to look like the same. Then, this is difficult, fold the page in half, slide it back. Now you're going to make the wing. Very difficult. You fold it in half like this. Then you flip it over counterclockwise, flip it again, slide it back, push it up like this, and there is your airplane.
Brilliant.